Namaste. So let us practice a beautiful Vinyasa sequence. So stand at the front edge of your mat. Inhale, raise your hands up, arch back, Hastottanasana. As you exhale, slowly do half bend, incline forward. Lengthen your spine as you exhale. Again, inhale, raise your hands up, arch back, Hastottanasana. Exhale, slowly incline forward. Try lengthening your spine, pushing your hip back. Inhale, raise your hands up, arch back, Hastottanasana. Exhale, now slowly bend forward to Padahastasana. Place your both the palms beside your feet. Inhale, raise your right hand up in the side, open your chest. As you exhale, bring your right hand down. Inhale, raise your left hand up in the side, open your chest. Exhale, bring your left hand down. And inhale, Uttanasana, chest and chin away from the thighs. Exhale, Padahastasana. Try bringing your chest and chin close to your legs. Now inhale, Uttanasana. Bring your palms little bit in the front. Now raise your right leg up in the back as you inhale. Exhale, bring your right leg down. Inhale, left leg up to the ceiling. Exhale, bring your left leg down. Inhale, Uttanasana, chest and chin away from the thighs. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose, hip down and bring your hands over your head. Keep pushing your hip back. Now stretch your both hands in the front. Inhale, right hand stretch it to the right side, open your chest to the right side. Right hand stretch to the right side, open your chest to right. Nicely twist. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale again, inhale, left hand stretch it to the left side. Exhale, come back to center. Inhale, again exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, Uttanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Raise your both hands over your head. Now inhale, get the right leg back to low lunge. Tuck your back leg toes and keep your hands over your head. Breathe in and breathe out. Now exhale, come back to Utkatasana, bring your back leg to the front. Again, inhale, get your left leg back to low lunge. Exhale, bring your leg back to Utkatasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, Uttanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, raise your hands up, arch back, Hastottanasana. Exhale, come back to Tadasana. Join your palms in front of your chest. Stand in the middle of your mat. Let us practice Warrior 3. Inhale, so slowly. Exhale, slowly bring your right leg one step back and lean forward and bring your right leg up in line with the spine. Very good. As you inhale, slowly raise your knee in front of your chest and raise your upper body. High knee. Raise your hands over the head. Deep breath in. Again, exhale, go to Virabhadrasana 3. Lengthen your spine. Stretch your leg as much as possible. Again, inhale, high knee. Bring your knee as much as close towards your chest. One more. Exhale, Virabhadrasana 3. Inhale, high knee. Exhale, release the right leg and switch to the left. Inhale, and as you exhale, slowly get the left leg one step back and get into Virabhadrasana 3. Inhale, high knee, left knee close to your chest. Exhale, Virabhadrasana 3. Inhale, high knee. Exhale, Warrior 3. Inhale, high knee. And exhale, release, come to Tadasana. Now inhale, raise your hands up, arch back, Hastotthana. Exhale, bend forward to Padahastasana. Now inhale, right leg back to Parshvottanasana. Parshvottanasana. Just try kissing your knee. Inhale, raise your hands up, come to standing position. Now exhale, stretch both the hands in line with the legs, position for Trikonasana. Inhale, as you exhale, bend towards the left, place your left palm beside your left foot and right hand towards the ceiling. Open your chest. Now inhale, slowly come back to standing position and get into reverse warrior. Bend the front leg and slowly slide your right hand on the right leg and arch. And as you inhale, slowly come back to center. Exhale, Parshvottanasana. Place your both the palms beside your foot. Inhale there and exhale, get your back leg to front, Padahastasana. Inhale to Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Padahastasana. Now, inhale, get your left leg back, position for Parshvottanasana. Inhale, slowly rise up, stretch both the hands in line with the legs. Trikonasana, bend towards the right and place your right palm beside your right foot and left hand stretching towards the ceiling. Keep opening your chest and breathe. And then inhale, slowly get into reverse warrior. Thigh parallel to the floor and slide your left hand on the left leg. Inhale, slowly come back to the center and exhale, Parshvottanasana. Inhale and exhale, get your back leg to the front, Padahastasana. Inhale to Utkatasana, chair pose. Exhale, Tadasana.